CoinMarketCap is a valuable tool for cryptocurrency traders, providing insights into market data, trends, and tools to make informed decisions. Here's how to use it for trading. Track market data. Visit coinmarketcap.com. Explore the list of cryptocurrencies ranked by market capitalization. Check metrics like price, 24-hour trading volume, market cap, and percentage price changes to identify potential trading opportunities. Analyze cryptocurrency performance. Click on a cryptocurrency to view its detailed performance. Examine historical price charts, market trends, and key statistics. Use filters to adjust timeframes for short-term or long-term analysis. Use tools. Utilize the Compare tool to analyze multiple cryptocurrencies. Explore the portfolio feature to track your investments in real time. Use the Earn and Converter tools for additional market insights. Research market news. Stay updated with the latest news in the crypto space under the News tab. Market-moving events can impact trading strategies. Check exchange listings. Each cryptocurrency page lists exchanges where the coin is traded, helping you find suitable platforms to execute trades.